Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll see what is inside of this DVB box, that is digital video broadcasting box. So here we have one power key is one option for USB connection, IR LED for receiving the remote signal. This is a power LED, and these are the user switches. Again here, as you can see, we have one cable input connector, and these are the audio connections. And here is the 5-volt adapter input. So let's open this box and let's see what's inside of this box. As you can see, this is a board where we have to insert the card, as this was a subscription based video broadcasting. So as you can see, this is the from here we have to insert the card, and this card will get fit into this socket, and this connector is connected to the main board. It's a single side board, as it's very minimal connection this board has. So now let's see the main board, motherboard. So here on the board, as you can see, this is amplifier IC, that is TDA10028, and this is a 16-bit EEPROM IC, and this is the processor, that is Ali 332929D. This is the processor mostly used in the DVB products, and this is a RAM. Due to this glue, I cannot see the name on that IC. And this is the power section. These are the audio connection, and this is a cable connection. So here you can see this is a power switch, this is a USB connection, this is the IR LED, this is a power LED, and these are the user switches. And this connector is given. I guess this will be for the programming or any flashing purpose. So here on the board, as you can see, there are the footprint for this IC. Here we have one, and this is the second footprint, which is not connected. So this is a very generic DVB product. So we have one more IC below that metal case. So if you see, I cannot remove that metal case now, but there is one more IC and crystal I can see. So I guess that IC handles the cable input connection, signal input connection. So thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe for the channel for more videos.